Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Naomi, the ooni of Ife's estranged wife, demands a reaction, apology, 50 million naira in damages from a blogger over viral video mispresentation. According to Naomi, the video originally recorded in 2022 was falsely presented as a recent, sparking a backlash just days after her release on bail in connection with the December 18, 2024 stampede that claimed the lives of 35 children. Naomi Silekunla Ogunwusi, the estranged wife of the Ooni of Ife, has called for a public apology and a retraction from Olufunke Ayokunle, a content creator and a gospel musician, for sharing an old video of her dancing following the recent deadly stampede in Ibaje, Oyo State. According to Naomi, the video originally recorded in 2022 was falsely presented as recent, sparking backlash just days after her release on bail in connection with the December 18, 2024 stampede that claimed the lives of 35 children. Naomi's legal team, led by Joseph Adeola Lukman, Esquire, and Musibao Adetunbi San and the company, issued a formal demand letter accusing Ayokunle of malicious intent. The letter says that the reposted video shared on January 16, 2025 has generated negative public backlash, misleading figures such as APC chieftain Joe Igbokwe and the journalist Ruben Abati, among others, into believing she is unsympathetic to the victim's family. The letter was also sent to Igbokwe and Abati for their attention. The ill-timed posting of the old video has created a false impression that our client is callous and unperturbed about the tragic loss of lives. This perception cannot be further from the truth, the legal team said. Naomi explained that the video had no connection to recent events and was taken over 2 years ago. She asserted that Ayokunle was aware of its original date but still reposted it, causing unwarranted criticism and emotional distress. The lawyers have demanded the immediate retraction of the video, a public apology, and the payment of 50 million naira in damages within 7 days. Failures to comply may result in legal action. The letter is, we act as a counsel to Naomi Silekunla Ogunwusi, hereinafter referred to as our client, and on whose firm instruction we write you this letter. Our attention has been drawn to a viral video posted by you on your Facebook page with a Facebook handle Olufunke Ayokunle, few days after the release of our clients on bail from the Agodi Correctional Center on 13th January 2025. In the said video, which you posted on the 16th day of January 2025, our clients, together with some other persons, were seen dancing and singing in their native language. The said video, which has now gone viral on different social media platforms, has generated a lot of negative comments, outcry, backlash, and skewed narratives from members of the public to think, albeit erroneously, that the video is recent and has perceived same to the callous and unsympathetic on the part of our client. The skewed perception of some members of the public from the video which you posted is that our client was celebrating her release from detention, having just been granted bail by the court on the 13th day of January 2025. Among notable comments on the viral video is the one made by one Ijo Igbokwe, who noted on his Facebook page that this dance is bad behavior, no conscience, no remorse, no empathy, no regrets, no sympathy, etc. This is despicable behavior and inhuman. This video was posted yesterday by one Olufunke Ayokunle. The letter further reads, "It is worthy of note that other public media personalities like Dr. Ruben Abati had publicized this negative, albeit untrue, comments against the person of our client, all thanks to the video which you posted without any caption and or explanation as to the actual time the video was made. Our interaction with our clients disclosed that the said video was made as far back as 2022, and that you were seized with the knowledge of this fact as at the time you disingenuously posted the video on 16th January 2025. Our client also made us understand that you are in the habit of always posting her videos and pictures on Facebook and other social media platforms to gain public traction and fellowship for your social media platforms and blogs. Madam, as you are well aware, our clients has never made any video and or granted any press conference, interview, or made any social media posting since she was magnanimously released on bail by the Honorable Court on the 13th day of January 2025. In fact, one of the conditions of her bail is that she should steer clear of the internet, the press, and the social media, especially as it is relates to the criminal charge against her, pending the determination of the charge. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. Thus, it is our honest belief that for you to have posted the video in question as at the time you did, which was just a few days after our client had been released on bail, does not only smack of bad faith, but same is ill-timed, unfair, thoughtless, and a slap to common sense. The public backlash upon opprobrium and negative comments which our client is now receiving is a result of your lack of circumspection and caution in handling sensitive and delicate matters such as the instance one, the legal team says. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on this issue. Subscribe to this channel, share love and like. Thanks and God bless. Amen.